Dapat tinuturo sa school na ba masama ang extrajudicial killing, masama ang red tagging, masama si Marcos, marami siyang human rights violation.
I disagree.
Nung panahon...
Okay.
I am my time.
We should not.
Attorney Gadon,
It's still my time. It's still my time. It's still my time. It's still my
We
time.
should not use this
It's
as
still my time.
propaganda against the Marcos.
It's still my time. It's still my time.
Wala kang...
We'll go back
It's
to
still my
Attorney
time.
Espiritu first to finish his 20
It's still my time.
seconds.
It's still my
Yeah.
time. Don't be rude.
Attorney Espiritu.
I agree na hindi dapat binababaan ang age of criminal responsibility. I disagree na dapat parusahan ang mga magulang. Tandaan natin ang krimen dito sa baba ng ating lipunan sa mga mahirap ay dahil sa social problems na create ng ating lipunan. And I also agree na dapat bigyan natin ng tamang values sa mga kabataan. Dapat tinuturo sa school na ba masama ang extrajudicial killing, masama ang red tagging, masama si Marcos, marami siyang human rights violation.
I disagree.
Nung panahon...
Okay.
I am my time.
We should not.
Attorney Gadon,
We should not use this
It's
as
still my time.
propaganda.
It's still my time. It's still my time. It's still my
We
time.
should not use this
It's
as
still my time.
propaganda against the Marcos.
It's still my time. It's still my time.
Wala kang...
We'll go back
It's
to
still my
Attorney
time.
Espiritu first to finish his 20
It's still my time.
seconds.
It's still my
Yeah.
time. Don't be rude.
Thank you. Attorney Espiritu, you have your 20 seconds left before
Dapat-
you were interrupted.
Dapat tinuturuan natin ang kabataan na respetuhin ang buhay, ang human rights, respetuhin ang buhay ng lahat at hindi dapat pumapatay ang ating mga gobyerno. At hindi nagnanakaw ang ating gobyerno. Diyan tayo magkakaroon ng mga mabuting henerasyon ng kabataan.
Thank you. Attorney Gadon, you have 45 minutes for your interpellation. Yes. Yes, Attorney Gadon, you may now interpolate with Attorney Espiritu. 45 seconds.
Yeah, palagi na lang pinopoint out niya, palagi nilang sinasabi yung human rights violations ni Marcos. Unang-una, sino ba ang nagpapatay dun sa mga NPA na gustong sumurrender? Di ba si Joma? Bakit ninyo sisihin si Marcos?
Attorney
Isa pa.
Espiritu, you have 30 seconds
Sino
for your
bang bumomba
rebuttal.
sa Plaza Miranda?
Yes.
Sila Joma.
Okay.
Oh.
I'll go by the
Bakit nyo
record.
isisisi kay Marcos
I thought
yun?
it's my time.
This is time.
We should not use this forum for a propaganda against the Marcoses. It was intended.
Yes. Attorney Gadon, your 45 seconds is over. We have 30 seconds for Attorney Espiritu's rebuttal.
Binuksan mo ang usapan, wag mo akong pagbawalan. I go by the record, Amnesty International, 3,257 ang pinatay nung panahon ni Marcos. 35,000 ang mga... It's my time, wag kang bastos. It's my time. 35,000. 35,000 ang tinorture. 70,000 ang kinulong. It's a matter of record.
Thank you. 30 seconds for rebuttal.
Noong nagkaroon ng kaso sa Hawaii, yung 10,000 human rights victims, nung ini-implement nila dito, nag-file sila ng petition sa RTC, wala silang naipresentang ebidensya. Pagdating sa Court of Appeals, wala rin. So asan yung sinasabi nila yung human rights violations na yan? Dismissed yung kaso.
We have interpellation from Attorney Roque. That would be 45 seconds.
Kung ano man ang nangyari sa nakaraan, inisa-isa ko po ang records. Wala pong kaso for human rights violation sa Amerika si Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Inisa-isa ko rin po ang mga kaso na decided po ng ating Philippine Supreme Court. Totoo po, co-administrator si Ferdinand Bobong Marcos, wala pong kaso na siya mismo nagnakaw.
Then I have Attorney Espiritu has 30 seconds for a rebuttal, and we have a question again from Dr.
Thank you.
With all...
You have the time. You have the opportunity, Attorney Espiritu, for a 30-second
My microphone is being silenced all the time when I do my rebuttal. Can I be able to continue
Yes,
without
Attorney.
my microphone being turned off?
Yes, Attorney Espiritu.
Okay, with all due respect to Attorney Harry Roque, I know your history. You were anti-Marcos before. You were for human rights before. Your life, you spent your life against the Marcoses. You work for human rights. And now, that you were given a Senate spot under the party of Bongbong Marcos, now you cry hallelujah and praise Marcos.
Okay. Thank you, Attorney Espiritu. Since you alluded to Attorney Roque, we will give him 30 seconds for a rebuttal. And just for the information of our candidates, your microphones will be silenced when others still have time. So that's something that they do to give others opportunity to speak. So Attorney Roque, since you have been alluded to, you have 30 seconds for a rebuttal.
There was nothing respectful with what you said against me. Ang katotohanan po ang pinag-uusapan, hindi po ang patay na Marcos, ang pinag-uusapan ang buhay na Marcos. Sa akin po, panagutin ang mga nagkasala, pero yung mga hindi po gumawa ng kahit anong kasalanan, wag po natin idamay sa sisi. Yun lang.